Brian, and I have 3 young children at home, and Residual Kids was a game changer. One of the things that my husband and I have been trying to do is instill positive financial values with our children, so they understand what it's like to manage their money, save, and understand compounding interest and all of those basic financial concepts that they will not learn in school. And so this program was a game changer. Not only did it give us the tools to be able to have conversations as a family, but it provided tools for the kids to be able to track their individual financial status and what that could potentially look like, so the kids could make a good decision. Do I spend my money, or do I save it? And those questions are so important, not just for kids but also for adults. And so we found a lot of value also as adults in looking at this. So I highly recommend this course. It's awesome. His kids are super cute, and it's totally worth checking out.